Firstly, if you don't know what the block limit is, it's a restriction in Notion that limits the number of blocks you can use in your workspace. Blocks can be anything from text, images, and database to other types of content. If you hit this limit, you'll need to upgrade to continue adding more blocks. Now, let's try to add a text to this workspace. So I'm going to do / and then select the text. And you see that I was told to upgrade to add content to this workspace. So now there are actually two reasons that causes this block limit. Now, the presence of theme space is one. The theme space is a premium feature. So whenever you create your Notion account and you see a theme space, you're likely to reach the block limit. Second is go to settings, then go to people. You'd see that you have 2 members present in this workspace. And for the free plan in Notion, it only allows 1 member, but you can share pages as guests. Now, the difference is that guests have access to pages, while members have access to the whole workspace. So this is actually the reason why you have this block limit restriction. Now, how do you remove the block limit? You have to delete the theme space that is present here. So let's try to delete this. You come to these 3 dots here. You'd see that you have archive theme space and leave theme space. On Notion, you cannot delete a theme space, but you can archive the theme space. So we'll have to delete 1 member first before we can delete the theme space. So you go to people and then you remove the other member from the workspace. Select remove. After that, you come over to the theme space and you realize that you can now archive the theme space. So you click on archive theme space and then you'll be asked to input the name of the workspace. So I'm going to do that right now. And then archive theme space, select move pages, and that is it. So you can now add as much block as you can to the workspace. So we're going to try and add a text once again to see if it's going to work this time. I'll just delete this and add a text. Okay, all right. The theme space has been removed. So that is how you can get rid of the block limit. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did find this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, because I will be giving you more Notion tips that can help you boost your productivity.